Tess is sick. Kevin twisted his ankle at the trampoline park. The girls, I don't know, they're just not coming. Max and Thomas.
There's a really cool feature on my phone now. It's called a pause feature.
What is that?
It's basically if you take a pause, it creates a cut for you. It takes some of the editing out.
Cool.
And that's available.
Stop and start.
Yeah, that's available on all current Apple devices if you take a video. So if you have an Apple phone, nice sweater. Oh wait, the first car is a quiet car, I forgot. Ah, nice! New windows. Yep. Alright. Well, thanks for... Well, all I can say is this was fun.
Sure was. Did you ride here?
Yeah, my ride is here. I'm gonna head over.
Hi, Chloe.
See you on Wednesday.
See ya.
See you all. It's down there. Last and final stop will be Danville for this train.